Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the latest clash between former President Donald Trump and the judiciary. Buckle up because it's a wild ride involving deportations, court orders, and some serious legal drama. So, let's break it down. Recently, Judge James Boasberg is considering holding Trump administration officials in civil contempt. Why, you ask? Well, despite an order to halt deportation flights, the Trump administration apparently defied this order. Yep, you heard that right. Now here's the kicker. The Supreme Court stepped in with a 5-4 decision. They temporarily lifted a lower court injunction, allowing the Trump administration to use a very old law, the 1798 Alien Enemies Act, to speed up deportations of illegal immigrants. But the Supreme Court also said that migrants must get due process protections. This means hearings before removal, with jurisdiction in Texas, not Washington, D.C. Even with the Supreme Court ruling, the conflict between Judge Boasberg and the Trump administration didn't end. Boasberg criticized the administration for defying his orders, and even using the state secrets privilege to withhold information about these deportation flights. He's demanding answers on who in the administration knew about his restraining order and who decided to ignore it. Here's where it gets really intense. 3 planes carrying 261 migrants, including over 100 under the Alien Enemies Act, were flown to El Salvador. This happened after Boasberg issued an emergency order blocking deportations. The Trump administration didn't comply with this order and didn't return the flights as demanded by Boasberg. To justify their actions, the Trump administration invoked the state secrets privilege. This means they claimed that sharing information about the deportation flights would threaten national security. But Boasberg wasn't buying it, especially after finding out that they withheld unclassified information. And, as if that wasn't enough drama, Trump himself criticized Judge Boasberg, calling him an activist judge and even demanding his impeachment. This outburst led to a warning from Chief Justice John Roberts, emphasizing the importance of judicial independence. So, what's at stake here? On one side, we have the Trump administration pushing hard on immigration enforcement using every legal tool at their disposal. On the other, we have a judge demanding adherence to court orders and transparency. And stuck in the middle are the migrants whose fates hang in the balance. This situation is still unfolding, and it's clear that the legal battles over immigration policies are far from over. The tension between the executive branch and the judiciary continues to grow, and it'll be fascinating and crucial to see how it all plays out. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.